Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Hopy and this time I'm making a sweet fairy ram. I changed the initially planned look into this as I unfortunately got a sty on one eye a few days before I planned filming. But I got a solution, so let's go! Since the wig I'm wearing is grey to pink, I'm gonna neutralize my yellow skin tone as I personally don't feel it matches the tone of the wig. I'm using a compact lavender corrector and just applying it as foundation. Also, remember the neck. I'm not gonna go close to my right eye since I'll be covering it anyway. Alright then. So now that we look quite grey in the face, let's quickly move on to a little concealer. I'm just using a little bit to conceal some redness. It's a light and cream concealer, so dab it on with my finger to melt it into the skin. And yeah, I know my one eye looks a bit sick compared to the rest now. Okay, so it's time to set the base with a bit transparent powder. Yeah. I obviously planned to cut my sneezes out, but I thought why not let you experience my full grace? Especially cause, yep, I'm all graceful. Okie dokie. For brows, it's the same kind of routine I use for light brows. I'm using a grey beige eyeshadow and filling in the brows. Actually, let's instead take a moment to appreciate this beautiful cute brush. I got this Sailor Moon brush set from my lovely roomies. I mean, just look at it. Then I'm using a brow mascara to lighten the brow hairs. I'm priming my eye and getting ready for the eyeshadows. Overall, I want a soft and simple color wash, so I'm using a pastel green in the inner corner. And I was a bit optimistic with using the big blending brush, so I'd recommend using a smaller brush first. I'm mixing in another green with a bit pearl shimmer. For contrast, I'm using a pastel peachy orange for the outer lid and crease. Blend it for a soft look. I'm not gonna use a strong eyeliner for this look, so I'm using a strong pink to emphasize the lower shape. Finish it as a little winged shape. Time to add my one lens. I have power in my lenses, so that's why I waited with adding it. No fairy look without more shimmery shadows. Just a bit to the lower center. Then I'm adding a white liner to the inner half waterline. And a pink reddish to the outer waterline. Okay, so this mascara is obviously totally dry and I instantly regretted even thinking of using it. So please just use a good mascara. I'm using more natural looking lashes to keep the softness in the look. Then I'm shading the tip of nose with the same pastel orange for the eye just to create a little imitation of a ram nose or someone who got a cold. I'm using a pink blush to give the cheeks a little color and adding it to the nose tip as well. Almost looks like I've been out in the cold. It's getting a little cooler with this bursty looking highlighter. I really love this highlighter, it almost feels a little magical. I'm adding it to all high points. For the lips, I'm using a soft peachy lipstick. And use my finger to blend it out for a soft lip look. Then I'm adding a metallic lip cream on top to nude the color a bit and give it a little shine. Woohoo! Time for magic and sparkles! I'm adding a glitter gel and dabbing the holo flakes on top. Just go nuts and add as much as you like. And let's do something about my naked eye. No one will know. Ha 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 ha. So, are we ready? Oh, not yet? Oh, got it. 짜잔! So that was the look. I love magical creatures and making a softer pastel look was really fun. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate all your support and comments even though I'm not that active. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more.